Philippines, good day, Iligan City. This is the station that delivers news on the dot and speaks truth on the spot. Today is August 7, 2024. This is the Newsline Broadcasting Live. Join us we unveil the stories that matter. Typhoon Karina is now less likely to directly bring heavy rainfall over any portion of the country. However, the southeast monsoon enhanced by Karina will bring moderate to intense rainfall over various localities in the western portion of Luzon today. Deadly Typhoon Gimi, known as Typhoon Karina in the Philippines, has caused severe flooding in the country, claiming lives, wounding dozens more, and displacing hundreds of thousands of people. Authorities have declared a state of calamity in a region that is home to 13 million people. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. on Wednesday said the national government has prepositioned some 2.88 billion pesos worth of aid in different parts of the country as Typhoon Karina continued to batter parts of the Philippines. So here's Prissy Rosamon on the other line to give us more update. Prissy?
Yes, Precious, we're live here in Metro Manila where the Typhoon Karina landed.
So how's the weather in there, Prissy?
So far, the weather here is far from what the weather is when the Typhoon Karina landed.
Oh, good to know, but if the government gives some relief good to the people who got affected by this Typhoon Karina?
There are Good Samaritan who give some primary needs to the people who got affected by the Typhoon Karina. And the President gives some fund to the people who got affected to it. But sadly, he cannot provide all of them because the budget are limited and the people who got affected by the Typhoon Karina is multiple. Earlier, we conduct an interview to the farmers, fisher folks, and family who got affected the most by the Typhoon Karina. Farmers that we are going to interview today. Good morning, Ma'am, sir. I have an interview. So what are the effects of Typhoon Karina to your daily income?
The Typhoon Karina has a biggest impact in our life to those farmers like us. Our crop vanished in one blink. All the sacrifices we did become useless.
What did you do during and after the typhoon?
Funny things is during the typhoon, all of the people are panicking and trying their best to save some of their things. But we're also doing our best to save our crops and seedlings because we can't afford to just lose all the sacrifice we made for planting those plants. Actually, being a farmer is not easy because whenever there are typhoons hits our farm, we have to start over again.
What are the effects of the Typhoon Karina to your daily income as a fisherman?
The typhoon has a biggest impact on my daily income as a fisherman because of the dangerous condition. This accident directly reduces my incomes, even if I can get out to sea. The typhoon can disrupt fish population and make it harder for me to catch a good haul. This can lead to lower my income and difficulty providing for my family.
I am Pressy Rosamuhan. Deliver news that matters. Back to you, Precious.
Thank you, Prissy. So I'm Precious Tiffany G. Mariano, delivers news that matter.